Okay, so what about subtraction? Well, I'm sure you can imagine that it's really not going to be that much different. So if I have 6 ninths minus 4 ninths, if you remember the rule, the denominator, that's the bottom number, the denominator stays the same. You simply do a subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2 over, the denominator stays the same, 2 over 9. I don't know, can't get easier than that. Well, I suppose it can, but it can't get much easier than that. So have a go at doing the subtractions of the fractions, and then next we'll move on to mixed numbers.